Hey everybody, today we are going to do some fishing, but first I'm going to make a coffee and I'm just going to sit back and relax by the shore and maybe I'll catch something. So let's get this fire going to make a coffee. Just got some dry birch bark, see if it lights. A long time ago, I was given this. I think my mom gave this to me like a stocking stuffer. It's like an electric. It almost looks like a taser. You charge it with a USB. It's a fire starter. So I've never used it, so I'm curious if it works. Yes. So I'm basically tasing the wood or the birch bark right now. While I wait for the water to boil, I'm gonna have this sandwich. I just picked up a sandwich from like a small town on the way, and I'm just gonna have that. Thought about cooking on the fire, but I just wanted it to be as simple as possible. That's what I'm all about, making things simple. So I'm just making coffee and fishing. I'll let someone else make my lunch. It's pretty good. Look at that. Look at the meat in that. Yeah, I'm really hungry. All right, water's boiled. Here. My clip thing broke. I dropped, when I was packing my bag at my house, I dropped it, so I wonder if it's there. Oh well. Alright. I'm making a lot of coffee because I am tired. I was up a lot last night. Not even because of John or anything, but just because like I woke up and I just could not fall back asleep and I was just up. Good chunk of the night. Alright. I need something to stir it with. Sure. All right, wait 8 minutes. This is what I'm talking about right here. All right. French press. The nice thing about this French press, it's lined, so it keeps the coffee warm. So I can come back for more when I want some. There we go, let's do some fishing. They're a mess. I'm gonna use one of these, but I'm gonna use a white one because it's really sunny out, so I feel like the light will reflect off of it and maybe attract some fish. I grew up fishing, but I have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to fishing. Geez, it almost looks like I'm sitting in a boat here. This is great. A boat that's not getting blown around. Here we go. Got one. The panic, the panic. What? Well, that's a bummer. I don't even know what to say. Now I'm gonna be all paranoid. If I keep using the line, it's just gonna break again. I'm gonna do it again, but if I lose another lure, I'm calling it. Upon some quick Googling, I've realized if I keep trying to fish with this line, it's just gonna keep breaking. I don't wanna just keep losing lures. One of these days, I'm gonna have a proper fishing session. I have to get new line, which is a bummer. That's just the way it goes. Well, that concludes the fishing portion of this video. Now I'm just gonna chillax and enjoy this weather. This is amazing. I've eaten, I got my coffee. Just gonna sit back and relax. So I've just been sitting around and like thinking, it's interesting because I think you come out and do things. Obviously I came out to film something, so maybe there's a double whammy to it, but it's interesting. You do these things and then most of the time they don't go the way you planned. You can see that if you look at the videos I've posted before. But it's so easy to think about, we so quickly call these things failures, like, oh, I messed up, or like things didn't go well, like what's the point? But this is how we learn, right? You do things, you try, and most of the time they're not going to work out, but the next time you come back to it and you do it again, you're better at it, you're more equipped, you have a better understanding of what you need and what you don't need. So yeah, so this is how I'm going to try to, I'm going to look at it this way. I got a couple casts in. I had a big fish on the line, and then the line broke, and now I can't fish because my line is too old. I'm like in the dark right now. Line is too old, so now I'm just gonna hang out in nature. Like, this is great. Like, look at this. Can't complain about this. Yeah, so I just want to say, if you come out and try to do something, whether it's in nature or if it's in something, trying to learn a new hobby, or you're trying to start a new job or something like that, don't view the mess ups as failures. View them as ways of learning, ways to improve, and the ways to get better. This YouTube thing has been very interesting. It's really shown me that you may think you know some things, but you actually don't know much. And you have a lifetime of learning new things. So I just want to encourage you, whoever's watching this, to keep trying new things, to keep messing up, and to keep moving forward, to persevere. And with that, I'll get off my soapbox. So I'll take this opportunity to drink more coffee. I'm gonna come home super wired. Probably won't sleep again. I'll take the line off of this because it's useless, as we've just witnessed. It's got an easier way. Oh, here we go. There's quite a bit of line on this. Oh. Every time I come to my buddy's property here, there's always either a vacuum going, a really loud vacuum, or there's chainsaws. And right now there's chainsaws. I think that's sounds like a chainsaw. I feel like I really need to I need to go backwoods camping or something to get away from noise. It's so hard, I'm finding, to get away from car noise, from chainsaw noise. It's great that people come out to nature. It is, it's really good. I'm not trying to talk down on that. It's just it's nice to hear the silence. Even if you only get it for a couple minutes, for seconds. Done. Because I feel like this fishing line goes back to when I was like a kid, fishing with my dad. It's a lot of fishing line. Done. All right. Well, I think that's all there's left is just to clean up. Make sure the fire's out. And head back home for dinner. I think 2.5 cups is enough of coffee for the afternoon. This is where I'm going to end the video. So yeah, it's been great just to hang out, even if it didn't go as planned. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, maybe by the end of the year. That'd be pretty sweet. And I will see you in the next video.